What's up guys, and what we are waiting for is here, the first real life look of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra and Galaxy S21. Along with this, we also have the best and the most up-to-date renders of the S21 family based on the realistic leak, showing off everything in full glory. But first, let's take a look at the real life look, and I want to share my personal opinion. So first up, I have to admit that the camera bump of the Galaxy S21 Ultra is not that big. It's noticeably slimmer than both Note 20 Ultra and the Galaxy S20 Ultra. No 100x zoom marketing on the back, it's a fresh, clean camera look. Although the S21 Ultra may still come with a 100x zoom because now it has proper 10x lossless zoom according to this brand new camera information. The S21 Ultra is the only model that is getting a big hardware jump when it comes to the main camera sensor as well as its zoom camera setup. They also updated the laser autofocus. The only thing that is similar to the Note 20 Ultra is the ultra wide angle lens. So the main 108 megapixel HM3 sensor is said to be slimmer than the previous sensor, which is why the camera bump is not that big. There's a folded periscope system that allows for 10x lossless zoom, and then a separate 10 megapixel 3x telephoto lens for those nice portrait shots. This is definitely one of the most feature-packed hardware camera setup I have ever seen on a phone. Samsung is going all in and making the Ultra the true Ultra model that you deserve. Now both camera bumps have some kind of screen protector on it. As for the back material, they both look similar. We have a matte black finish. From the size comparison, I do feel like this is the S21 Plus model. Although the Galaxy S21 model may bring plastic on the back, Samsung is doing that in order to bring the price down and start the S21 lineup with $800 price point. I have to say, I am kind of surprised looking at this camera bump. In the previous video, we talked about how Samsung wants to ultimately bring a 600 megapixel resolution camera to a smartphone, and in order to do that, they have to decrease the size of camera bump, and seems like they're already doing it efficiently, trying to minimize the bump as much as they can. Now there will be a lot more exciting colors with the S21 and S21 Plus models. The S21 Ultra will unfortunately only get two colors, the Phantom Black and Phantom Silver, which is reportedly similar to the Galaxy Note 5 silver gold color. That's definitely the color that most people will love, but obviously for those who love the all black look, this still actually looks pretty good. Kudos to OnLeaks, he has done some really amazing work. His initial render leak is almost similar to the actual final deal. So let me know what you think about the real life design of the S21 family in the comment section below. Also in the news, Samsung is planning a brand new Galaxy F46 smartphone for Indian market. It is a mid-range phone, but it has caught my eye because of a very interesting implementation. This phone for some reason is rocking a flagship processor from 2019. Apparently, the flagship processor of the Galaxy Note 10 series, the Exynos 9825, will be inside of this Galaxy F46. Samsung is planning to release more Galaxy F branded phones in India. Not sure about other markets right now, but eventually we might see it coming to more markets. Here are the final leak specs of the S21 family, and once again, they are making the S21 Ultra the real Ultra upgrade. That's it for this video. Let me know what you think about this in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.